Respected Brahmdutt Ji, Secretary, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Mr. Nilmaljeet Singh, Director General Road Development and Special Secretary, Ministry of Shipping, Road Transport and Highways, Ms. Iteli Pereira from IRF, learned speakers, distinguished delegates from abroad and India, all stakeholders in the road sector, invitees, representatives of electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of IRF and on my own behalf, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We are deeply indebted to Mr. Brahmdutt for becoming a partner with us in our endeavor to enhance road safety on our roads through various measures and thereby reduce the fatalities. Road accidents are happening in spite of provisions of road safety measures stipulated in our codes and standards. The accidents are increasing day by day and we need to curb it. And therefore the topic of this conference is Accident Prevention Road Safety Measures. There are measures other than the standard road safety engineering measures which also need to be implemented. The technical contents of this conference will be discussed by our Chairman Technical Committee, Mr. Nilmaljeet Singh. The road accidents are taking a toll of 1.25 lakh persons every year, which is equivalent to 342 persons who die on Indian roads every year. One jumbo crashes every single day in India. We have the dubious distinction of having the highest road accidents in the world, and more than 500,000 people are injured every year for their life. This is a huge social problem and has massive economic loss associated with it, which is of the order of 3%, which works out to a colossal loss of nearly 75,000 crores, a mind-boggling figure. In order to curb this menace of accidents, a national campaign on reduction of road fatalities was launched on 23rd September 2009 as a joint initiative of IRF and Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. It was launched by Honorable Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Shri Kamal Nath Ji. NDTV has joined us in this crusade as our media partner. I take this opportunity to report the activities after the launch of the campaign till today. At the launch function, 4 promos depicting road safety concerns and advice for following road safety rules were shown. Further today, we have also prepared another promo of 40 seconds duration and a film of 2 minutes duration covering all aspects as advisory for safe road use behaviors. IRF has requested the Union Ministry of Road Transport and Highways to recommend to the central government for providing tax exemption from the expenditure incurred by corporate sector and philanthropist individuals for the cause of road safety. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has also been requested to obtain duty exemption for import of vehicle simulators by private parties for driver training schools. This will go a long way in proper training of drivers and enhancing the skills of driving population. The ministry has also been requested to arrange for issuance of necessary orders from Information and Broadcasting Ministry for screening films on road safety of about 3 to 4 minutes duration in every cinema hall as a mandatory requirement prior to screening of normal commercial films. IRF has also requested the Ministry of HRD to include road signages and road safety rules in the curriculum of school education. I am delighted to inform this august gathering that Mr. Brahmdutt has already taken further action by taking up the above aspects with his counterparts in the concerned ministries. We are indeed indebted to you, sir, and your team for your kind continual support. The saying goes that charity begins at home. I, as CMD of ICT, have started the campaign through an insert of a road safety message in the Indian Express since 21st October, a copy of which is placed in your conference kit. In association with Shri S.K. Das, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, we have discussed with DAVP, and it is proposed to get such a message published in over 100 newspapers throughout the country every day. We hope to launch this very shortly. I appeal to all corporate houses to join in this effort, which will help in reaching to the masses across the country. From this platform, I stand deeply committed, personally as well as through IRF, and would like to appeal to all stakeholders to depict similar commitment and fervor to carry forward the campaign of reducing road fatalities in our country by 50% by 2012. The deliberations at this conference will provide further knowledge from experts assembled here from the developed world who have been able to contain the menace by resorting to various engineering, legislative, enforcement, and educational measures. It needs to be appreciated that safety on roads has to be an obsession with all stakeholders, including road users, and only then this mission of saving human lives can be achieved. I appeal both to the government as well as the corporate sector to extend a helping hand and encourage all aspects of road safety to be incorporated in our road system, vehicle design and operation, thereby facilitating safe as well as speedy travel for both passengers and goods. If our roads can become forgiving roads, India would have done itself proud by saving a large number of human lives and the accompanying trauma. From this platform, I would like to urge the clients, consultants, concessionaires, and contractors not to compromise on the road safety requirements like over and underpasses, appropriate junction designs, road signages, and markings, both during construction and operation, lighting, etc. The money saved by non-provisioning of these is insignificant compared to the immense benefit which accrue by way of improved road safety for saving human lives and injuries. I once again welcome Mr. Brandat, Secretary Road Transport and Highways, Mr. Nirmaljeet Singh, Director General Road Development, Ms. Nithali Pereira of IRF. I extend a very warm welcome to all learned speakers and distinguished delegates, invitees, our media partners, and the press who have very kindly joined us to cover the event. Thank you. Jai Hind.